Okay, so we've got a MacBook Air, similar to the MacBook Pros of this era. We're going to replace the keyboard. You strip it out, you've got to strip everything out, you've got to strip out the motherboard, everything's got to come out, the battery, everything. The trackpad would normally be here, the screen would still be here. With this, the screws, little tiny screws here, go all around the outside, the small screws. On the inside here, if you look at this carefully, you can see these blind rivets. So you can't take them out, you've got to rip this whole thing out. So without further ado, let's rip the whole thing out. So this is what you have to do. The screws are all taken off, and now we just take this end. Motherboard out, keyboard out. Now if you take a look at this, you can see these small rivets are still there. What you have to do is you have to get rid of these little rivets, so that you end up with this, so you can put a small screw in there. These small screw holes, so you have to make small screw holes here. What I do is I use a pair of side cutters, and I don't chop them off, I actually rotate the side cutter around, so that we'll take that out and leave a hole for the screw. So that's what you have to do there. And then put a new keyboard in and put all the screws back in here. There's your screw holes there. Now the screw holes where the rivets used to be, and that's basically a MacBook and a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air keyboard.